Hey, you guys, Squint here. You can see in the vise I have this, let's see, it was a Silverline Old English padlock, 50 millimeter. Four lever brass lock. There's the key on it. You guys can see there. I don't know if that's good bitting or bad bitting, but you guys can see the lock works. I have not tried to pick this thing yet. I just unwrapped the key from the shackle. So I did start to put the picking kit together, and I noticed I went to stick one of the wires in there to get it to tighten down, and I couldn't get it to tighten down. If you guys can see, there's a hole that runs all the way through. Let's see if I can get it to focus. And then it shows some daylight. See, there's a good hole in there now, all the way through, and that allows those side pins to go and tighten down that wire. I guess when Andy was, burring it out, there was a couple little burrs up in there, so I just got my Dremel out with a little bitty drill bit and just kind of ran it in there a little bit. Let's see. We're gonna use. Shit, I don't know. Let's see what wires we got over here. Let's just go with this medium one for now. It looks like a winner. Let's see if we can get this sucker in there. Oh yeah, it goes all the way in now. Put these little tensioner screws back in it, and see if we can get this lock picked. All right, give it a little tighten. A little turn there. Well, I guess I didn't tighten that one good enough. A little tighten there. All right, we're good. We are ready to go. Let's see. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit so we can see if we can get this thing picked open. And all you guys can critique my my lock picking, lever lock picking skills. Shit, I don't even know how these work, honestly. Let's see. So I got to get this tensioner in this way. Looks like. Okay, there's a hole in the back. And I think we got to do this the exact same way we did the larger lever locks. Let's put it in there. Twist it around. And then give it some tension. Maybe. There we go. Oh, okay, got a little movement there. There we go. I think I got it. There it is. Nice. All right, cool. Let's get this out of here. All right, so hey man, right? I felt a couple clicks. The tension bar turned. You guys can see that this stuff works. These tools work. Andy's stuff is no joke. Worked good. Tensioned perfectly. Gave me a click on the lock. And yeah, I guess it's just picking the right tools to get the job done. This is the first time I've ever done a lock like that. Make sure you guys go check these guys out. uklockpickers.co.uk. Also go check out Andy Mack's YouTube channel. He'll show you how to build this if you don't want to buy it. But why wouldn't you want to get it all in one kit to be able to at least start practicing on and get your own ideas? Look at this. I mean, this full kit, extra. Sorry about those puppies. I just had puppies, so if you guys didn't know, extra grub screws. Not this. This is what I tried to get those burrs out with, but they don't work. But you know, a couple extra keys for different size padlocks, overlifter, all these different wires. He even throws a wire in there. I think it's this one right here. You see how it's different? It's a different angle. It angles back the other way. So if I need to get back in there and pick the lock closed, I don't need to do that. You can see I have the key. So let me show you that the key works again. This way. There you go. Now I got the lock back up. So yeah. I didn't use this. This is more for if you were going straight in with a key on a different style lock. You can see here. So I didn't need to use the little nut tightener. But he does give you two more different types of tensioners. One with a hole in it. You can see there. So if it's that style lock that has a hole or has the little post, you can put it in there and still tension. But I mean, all inclusive, really, guys. You know, go check them out. You know, we were joking on some of the forums that, hey, look, even American can pick it, but there's proof again with the right tools. Just about anybody can do it once you understand what you're doing, how to work this, and the right tools, the right wires, the right links. It's all right here. It's all included right here in this kit. So, Andy, thanks, sir, for building a quality, affordable pick kit. Thanks, UK lock pickers, for selling it and sending it out to me. I don't make any money on doing this for these guys. It's just something that interests me, so that's why I purchased it with my own money and they shipped it to me. So yeah, that's two quality kits that Andy Max put out. This one is the other kit that I got from him. You can see here, so totally different wires, different lengths, different thicknesses. But I'm definitely going to add it all to one kit, you know, and just keep going, man. You know, keep finding these locks now. If I can find these locks to continue to pick it, it's definitely something fun, something different than just doing pin tumblers here that we have in the U.S. So again, I'll make the same joke again. Andy Mac tools are just so good that even American can pick these locks. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate you sticking with me. Again, thanks, Andy. Thanks, UK lock pickers. And yeah, I appreciate everybody sticking with me and watching the channel. All right, guys, I'll be on to the next lock.